Hi everyone, I am J. Bhagavad Gita, Head of the Department of English, TSWRDC, Mahbub Nagar. Today we are going to discuss Introduction to Basic Language Skills. What is a language? One definition of language is a system of symbols that permit people to communicate or interact. These symbols can include vocal and written forms, gesture, and body language. Another way to describe language is in terms of four basic language skills, that is, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. In your teaching, you will need to address each of these skills. People generally learn these four languages in the following order. Listening: when people are learning a new language, they first hear it spoken. Speaking: eventually they try to repeat what they hear. Reading: later they see the spoken language depicted symbolically in print. Writing: finally they reproduce these symbols on paper. Now we shall discuss in detail. Listening. Listening is an important skill and must be learnt and taught carefully. Unlike hearing, listening is always purposeful. Listening involves the formation of proper auditory images of phonemic components such as the use of vowel and consonant sounds, stress, accent, pitch, pause, juncture, intonation, and the rhythm of language. The listening process. Listening process is a process that and an active one. The listening process can be broken up into five distinct stages. They are receiving, understanding, remembering, evaluating, and responding. Speaking. Speaking skills are the skills that give us the ability to communicate effectively. These skills allow the speaker to convey his message in a passionate, thoughtful, and convincing manner. Speaking skills also help to assure that one won't be misunderstood by those who are listening. Speaking skills hold a special place of value. Good speakers are also good writers, for they would have written several drafts of each speech. The four speaking skills are fluency, vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. Regular practice in the above speaking skills will help the learner to develop their speaking skills. Now, reading. Reading is a complex cognitive process of decoding symbols in order to construct or derive meaning. Reading is a means of language acquisition, communication, and of sharing information and ideas. Current methods for teaching reading comprehension tend to emphasize the products of comprehension and neglect the process of comprehension. Types of reading. There are six types of reading. They are oral reading, silent reading, intensive reading, extensive reading, skimming, and scanning. Now, the last one, writing. Writing skills include all the knowledge and abilities related to expressing ideas through the written word. The ability to clearly communicate ideas through writing is in high demand for employers in any industry. Writing offers has three benefits. First one, understanding the structure of sentence. Second one, it makes us good reader. And the third one is writing makes you a strong thinker. In addition to these basic skills, the language acquisition needs knowledge of good vocabulary, skill of comprehension, skills of note making and note taking, grammatical competence, reference and study skills, and skill of communication. Apart from listening, speaking, reading and writing, creativity and imagination, learning and memorization, grammar and pronunciation, thinking and reasoning are the other language skills for language acquisition. The best ways to improve your English. Always think in English. Always try to speak in English. Do not translate English from your native language. See others who speak English. Use mirrors and recorders. Expand your vocabulary. You may have a question. How should I acquire English language skills? Remember that you are a baby. Babies first listen, then they try to speak. After they begin to read, finally they start writing. So practice yourself in the order of LSRW. Good communication skills are the key to success. Learning. Thank you very much.